No feedback rows yet. First accept the cookie banner, then focus the search field and type a well-known movie Inception to start narrowing the target. I will select from the drop-down next. Type card is green for my guess Inception a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2010 is red with arrow up, meaning target is newer than 2010 by more than 2 years, so 2013 plus. Rating 8.8 is red with arrow down, so target rating is lower than 8.8 by more than 0.5 below tilde 8.3. Genres, sci-fi is green on target. Action and adventure are grey not on target. No actor or director overlap. Leonardo DiCaprio, Joseph Gordon-Levitt, Elliot Page, Christopher Nolan all grey. Constraints, movie, year after 2012, rating under tilde 8.3, includes sci-fi but not action/adventure. Type card green, guess was a movie, so target medium equals movie. Constraints, newer than 2010-2013 plus, rating below tilde 8.3, sci-fi yes, no action/adventure. Interstellar is 2014 sci-fi, rating 8.7 may still probe year/reading direction, and shares null in/genre space. I select it from the drop-down and click guess. The drop-down is open covering the top cards, but I can see the Interstellar 2014 feedback below. Type card would be green movie, so target medium equals movie. Genres, sci-fi is green on target. Adventure and drama are grey not on target. No actor overlap. Matthew McConaughey, Anne Hathaway, Jessica Chastain all grey, and Christopher Nolan director grey not on target. Year and rating cards are hidden by the drop-down, but from Inception target is 2013 plus and rating below tilde 8.3. Constraints, movie, sci-fi genre present but not adventure/drama, not a Nolan film, no McConaughey/Hathaway/Chastain, year 2013 plus, rating under tilde 8.3. Avoid Inception and Interstellar. Next I should try a pure sci-fi non-drama, non-adventure movie like Ex Machina or Arrival. Type card green for Interstellar movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2014 red with arrow up equals target newer than tilde 2016. Rating 8.7 red arrow down equals target reading below tilde 8.2. Only sci-fi genre green, adventure/drama grey. Ex Machina 2014 may be too old, but I'll pick a newer pure sci-fi. Ex Machina is 2014, better to try a newer one. Actually target is newer than 2016, so I'll guess Arrival 2016 style but let me use Ex Machina as a sci-fi probe. Reconsidering, pick a newer sci-fi. I type Ex Machina but should choose newer. I'll go with it as sci-fi probe near boundary. Type card is green for Ex Machina a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2015 is red with arrow up, meaning target is newer than 2015 by more than 2 years 2018 plus. Rating 7.7 is red with arrow down, so target rating is lower than 7.7 by more than 0.5 below tilde 7.2. Genres, sci-fi green on target, drama and thriller grey not on target. No actor overlap. Alicia Vikander, Domhnall Gleeson, Oscar Isaac Grey and Alex Garland director grey. Constraints, movie, year 2018 plus, rating under tilde 7.2, sci-fi genre present but not drama/thriller. Avoid Inception, Interstellar, Ex Machina. Good candidates, a recent lighter/action sci-fi like Ready Player One 2018 or a newer sci-fi. Type card green for Ex Machina movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2015 red arrow up equals target newer 2018 plus. Rating 7.7 red arrow down equals target below tilde 7.2. Sci-fi green only, drama/thriller grey. Ready Player One 2018 is sci-fi/adventure, rating tilde 7.4, newer year good probe for year and reading boundaries. I select it from the drop-down and click guess. The screenshot shows guess 3 out of 10 and Ready Player One is still in the search box with guess button orange enabled, but not yet submitted. The newest feedback row is still Ex Machina 2015, so my Ready Player One guess did not register. Type card green for Ex Machina movie, target medium equals movie. Year 2015 red arrow up equals target year 2018 plus. Rating 7.7 red arrow down equals target below tilde 7.2. Sci-fi green only, drama/thriller grey. I still need to click the guess button to submit Ready Player One. Constraints, movie, 2018 plus, rating 7.2, sci-fi present but not drama/thriller. Type card green for Ex Machina movie, target medium equals movie. Search box already holds Ready Player One and the guess button is enabled orange. My prior batches never registered because I was retyping. Now I only need to click the guess button to submit Ready Player One. Constraints, movie, 2018 plus, rating 7.2, sci-fi only. Type card is green for Ready Player One a movie, so target medium equals movie. Year 2018 is red with arrow up, meaning target is newer than 2018 by more than 2 years 2021 plus. Rating 7.4 is red with arrow down, so target rating is below tilde 6.9. Genres, sci-fi green on target. Action and adventure grey not on target. No actor overlap. Ty Sheridan, Olivia Cook, Ben Mendelsohn grey and Steven Spielberg director grey. Constraints, movie, year 2021 plus, rating under tilde 6.9, sci-fi present but not action/adventure. Avoid Inception, Interstellar, Ex Machina, Ready Player One. Candidate, a recent lower rated pure sci-fi like The Atom Project 2022 or Don't Look Up, but needs sci-fi without action/adventure. Type card green for Ready Player One movie, target medium equals movie. Year 2018 red arrow up equals target newer 2021 plus. Rating 7.4 red arrow down equals target below tilde 6.9. Sci-fi green only, action/adventure grey. The Atom Project 2022 is sci-fi, rating tilde 6.7, newer year fits all constraints well. I focus the search, type Atom Project, demit the highlighted row with enter, then click the guess button to submit. Type card green for Ready Player 1 movie, target medium equals movie. Year 2018 red arrow up equals target newer 2021 plus. Rating 7.4 red arrow down equals below tilde 6.9. Sci-fi green only, action/adventure gray. The search box wrongly shows the Florida project from my enter selecting wrong row I must clear it. I click the field, select all, backspace to clear, then type a new sci-fi candidate don't look up 2021, rating tilde 7.2, sci-fi/comedy. I will verify the drop-down row before submitting next turn. Type card is green for don't look up a movie, so target medium equals movie. The poster hint appeared guess 5 done, score 248. Genres, sci-fi green on target, comedy and drama gray not on target. Actors Leonardo DiCaprio, Jennifer Lawrence, Meryl Streep gray not on target. Director Adam McKay gray. Year/rating cards partly hidden but from prior. Target 2021 plus, rating under tilde 6.9. Poster looks dark blue/space themed. Constraints, movie, sci-fi only not comedy/drama/action/adventure. Year 2021 plus, rating below tilde 6.9. No DiCaprio/Lawrence/Streep. Avoid don't look up plus earlier titles. The poster is dark blue vertical possibly a space/underwater sci-fi. Type card green for don't look up movie, target medium equals movie. Year 2021 is yellow, with arrow up equals target is within 2 years and newer, so 2022-2023. Rating 7.2 yellow arrow up equals target within 0.5 and higher, so 7.2-7.7. Sci-fi green only, comedy/drama gray. So target, movie, 2022-2023, rating 7.2-7.7, sci-fi not comedy/drama/action/adventure. The creator 2023 is sci-fi, rating tilde 7.0, fits well. I focus the search and type it, will verify the drop-down row before submitting. Type card green for don't look up movie, target medium equals movie. Year 2021 yellow arrow up equals target 2022-2023 newer, within 2. Rating 7.2 yellow arrow down equals target 6.7-7.2 lower, within 0.5. Sci-fi green only, comedy/drama gray. The search box is empty now. I retype a shorter fragment creator to trigger the dropdown for the creator 2023, sci-fi, rating tilde 7.0. I will verify the dropdown row next turn before clicking this. Type card green for don't look up movie, target medium equals movie. Year 2021 yellow arrow up equals target 2022-2023 newer, within 2. Rating 7.2 yellow arrow up equals target 7.2-7.7 higher, within 0.5. Sci-fi green only, comedy/drama gray. The search box is empty and test disabled. I click the input and type creator to open the dropdown for the creator 2023, sci-fi. I will verify the row and submit next turn. Type card green for don't look up movie, target medium equals movie. Year 2021 yellow arrow up equals target newer, within 2 years 2022-2023. Rating 7.2 yellow arrow up, equals, target higher within 0.5 7.2-7.7. Sci-fi green only, comedy/drama gray. The search field is empty and guess disabled. The dropdown was not opening. This time I click the input, wait, then type creator so the suggestion list renders. I will click the matching row, and test next turn once the dropdown is visible. Type card green for don't look up movie, target medium equals movie. Year 2021 yellow arrow up equals target newer, within 2 years 2022-2023. Rating 7.2 yellow arrow down equals, target lower within 0.56.7-7.2. Sci-fi green only, comedy/drama gray. The input placeholder still reads select a movie or TV series and guess is disabled, so my prior typing never landed in the field. I click precisely at y equals 400 on the input, wait for focus, then type creator. Dropdown should render. I will click the row and guess next turn. Type card green for don't look up movie, target medium equals movie. Year 2021 yellow arrow up equals target newer, within 2 years 2022-2023. Rating 7.2 yellow arrow up equals, target higher within 0.5 7.2-7.7. Sci-fi green only, comedy/drama gray. Screenshot confirms input is empty placeholder select a movie or TV series and guess disabled. I click the input at y equals 400, wait for focus, then type the creator slowly. Dropdown should render. I will click the matching row and press guess next turn. Type card green for don't look up movie, target medium equals movie. Year 2021 yellow arrow up equals target newer, within 2 years 2022-2023. Rating 7.2 yellow arrow up equals target higher within 0.5 7.2-7.7. Sci-fi green only, comedy/drama gray, DiCaprio/Lawrence/Streep and Adam McKay all gray. The creator search yielded no usable suggestions, so I switched to a different, short, distinctive title. Nope 2022, sci-fi, rating ~6.8. Actually high-rated 2022 sci-fi fits better. Nope is 2022 sci-fi. I type nope to open the drop-down. We'll click the row and guess next turn. Got it. Today's answer was nope, Jordan Peele's 2022 sci-fi horror, and I cracked it in 6 guesses. The key clues were the movie Medium Locked in Green, a 2022 year, and that 6.8 rating pointing to a recent, slightly low-rated title, with the sci-fi genre steering me toward this dark-skied Peele thriller. Finished for a score of 100.